In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for city-level interest, fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool for marketers, business owners, and anyone curious about trending topics and how they differ from one location to another. We'll walk you through getting city-specific search data to optimize your strategy in no time. First up, let's head over to our web browser. Open your browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once you've done that, press Enter and you'll see the search results page. From there, click on the first link you find. This should take you directly to Google Trends homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll need to navigate to the Explore section. Look for the Explore button. It's typically easy to spot, and click on it. This section is a gateway to all the analytical goodness that Google Trends provides. With the Explore page open, it's time to key in your main keyword. Think about city-focused topics that interest you or relate to your business. Some examples could be coffee shops, gym classes, real estate, or digital marketing services. Type one of these into the search bar, whichever fits your purpose, and simply press Enter to view the trend graph. What you'll see next is a graphical representation of how people have been searching for your chosen keyword over time. But we're interested in a specific city, right? To zero in on that, use the location drop-down feature and set it to your target city. This ensures the data you see is relevant to where you are or where you want to focus. Now that you've pinpointed the city, it's time to set the time frame. You can choose from various options such as the past 12 months for a glimpse into recent search behavior, or even the past 5 years for understanding long-term patterns. This flexibility can help you tailor your content or business strategy over different time horizons. Optionally, you might want to scroll down to the Interest by Sub-Region section. This offers more granular insights, showing you which nearby neighborhoods or regions show higher interest levels. Fantastic for hyperlocal marketing or targeting your services more precisely. Finally, don't forget to check out the Related Topics and Queries section further down. This will reveal other city-specific keywords people have been searching for, providing invaluable input for your local SEO, social media posts, or advertising campaigns. If you're keen on digging deeper, Google Trends lets you compare multiple keywords. Just click the Plus Compare option to juxtapose different services, products, or topics. This comparative analysis can help you identify what's in high demand within your chosen city, guiding your focus and offerings efficiently. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can master the use of Google Trends for city-level insights, bringing you closer to your marketing goals. Happy analyzing!